Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang pagsasolve ng limits of functions. We will start with algebraic functions. We have three items here. Number 1 and number 2 are polynomial functions and number 3 is a rational function. For item number 1, find the limit of x squared plus 2x minus 1 as x approaches positive 2. Dahil ang function natin is a polynomial function na kung saan pag sinubstitute natin yung positive 2, hindi ito mag-undefined. Therefore, we're going to substitute 2 as the value of x para makuha ang ating limit. Ito ngayon ay magiging 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 1. Then, isimplify natin, we have 4 plus 4 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Therefore, the limit of x squared plus 2x minus 1 as x approaches 2 is positive 7. For item number 2, find the limit of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 as x approaches negative 1. Dahil ang ating function ay polynomial pa rin at pag sinubstitute natin yung negative 1, hindi ito mag-undefined. Therefore, we will going to substitute negative 1 as the value of x to get the limit of the function. Ito ay magiging negative 1 cubed minus 2 times negative 1 squared plus 3 times negative 1 minus 4. Then, isimplify natin. We have negative 1 minus 2 times positive 1 minus 3 minus 4. Negative 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 is negative 10. Therefore, the limit of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 as x approaches negative 1 is negative 10. For item number 3, find the limit of x squared minus 5 all over 2x cubed plus 6 as x approaches positive 2. We all know that this is a rational function. At kung i-analyze natin, pag sinubstitute natin yung 2 sa value of x, hindi naman ito mag-undefined. Therefore, pwede pa rin natin gawin na i-substitute yung 2 sa values of x to get the limit. So, ito ngayon ay magiging 2 squared minus 5 all over 2 times 2 cubed plus 6. Isimplify natin, ito ay magiging 4 minus 5 all over 16 plus 6. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 16 plus 6 is 22. Therefore, the answer is negative 1 over 22. Therefore, the limit of x squared minus 5 all over 2x cubed plus 6 as x approaches 2 is negative 1 over 22.